Um, Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, you're chilling with Skara. Yeah, aka Triple J or the General. Yeah, all the way from Port Elizabeth. Yes. So, but now I'm here at Cape Town. You know. Um, I just want to talk about Nando's up new album. Yeah, just want to talk about his new album that will be released soon. Um, on the 26th of April 2019, which is next month. Yeah, on the 26th of April 2019, titled No No. Uh, um, so he dropped his hit single. It's also called No No. Uh, it's a song for a PSL team or for it's a song. In fact, it's a song for football. Yeah. But then he used his creativity to adapt that and then. Yeah, so um, yeah, the song is doing great out there. It's doing great, and so I was also listening to it. Yeah, I think Budanda and Khutman. Yeah, you're doing well, Brian. This is Kara from Port Elizabeth, the mother well. Yes. Um. Oh yeah. Before I forgot this, so they are here also. I think they are here in Cape Town. Yeah, because I saw them at McDonald. Yeah, I think it was yesterday. Yeah, yesterday at McDonald. Hey, but it was outside. Ish, I wanted to see my boys, manish, more special for Snowfall. Hey, but then yeah, it's fine. Then I will see them next time or in future. I hope so. Yeah, because I have a dream of being a member or an artist of Motherland. Yeah, yeah. I think dreams do come true because I'm a boy from Motherwell. I have a dream of becoming a member of Motherland. You get it, and it's gonna happen. So yeah, so yeah. They were supposed to perform, or they're performing today here at Cape Town, Vosi, and Ndando, Ndando, Vosi, Andy, of course, Begazela. They were here at Cape Town, or they are still here. Unfortunately, I was not there. I was busy also with my gigs and events, all that stuff. You get it? Yeah. So, yeah, man. I hope and trust that Ndando's album will do great, will do wonders, in fact. So, to you haters out there, must watch out. Ndando from where? Pofolo, I think. Yeah, I think he's from Pofolo. Yeah, he's from Pofolo. But I think also in Port Elizabeth. Yeah, he's also from Port Elizabeth. Yeah. Salute to you, Mr. Vusnova, Mr. Lava from New Brighty, Ola. Yeah. So yeah, guys. Let's wait for Ndando Bangani's album that will drop on the 26th of April. Yep, titled No No. Yeah. So was not there the time they're performing. Yeah, here at Cape Town. I think they are still here around. Yeah. Yeah. Big ups to the guys. I salute you. But one day is one day. I will be at Motherland Entertainment or at Motherland TV. I'll be there also. Yeah. So I wanted to play Ndando's song, but I'm using this phone, but okay, it's fine. So I can't play it. I'm in the office. Chilling here, having a good time in SRC office here at Cape Town. Just chilling here. Yeah. So I decided to take this chance to celebrate, you see. Ubhuti Ndando, umsebenzi kaNdando, yeah. Oh, in fact, yeah. So it's his 8th album, this one. Eighth album. 8th album. It's not an easy work. 8th album. He's still alive. Still relevant. You see? Yeah. So talent is talent. You can hate him, but I believe, you see, he's doing well out there. Also Bekezela too, and you must watch out on his album, on Ndando's album. There are 4 tracks, you see, that are from the first or the second album. Yeah, 4 tracks that are from the first album. So he remixed the songs, you see, because people were not getting, people were asking, were looking for those songs, so they can't find on YouTube and somewhere. So he decided to remix the songs and then put them on his album. Yeah, so it's 4 songs, and others are new. Are the new songs. So basically, yeah, I think it's like that. Yeah, it's like that. So there's another song called Amanzi by Bekezela and Ndando. You see that song? That song was not promoted. I think that song was not promoted, but I believe now on the 26th or that day, yeah, or after, that song will do wonders. I'm telling you, it's gonna blow our minds. It's called Amanzi. Yeah. And there's another song called Nomthandazo. Yeah. And that one is doing well also. You see. I was jamming for that song, I think 5 minutes or 8 minutes ago. I was jamming for that song, Nomthandazo. Yeah, it's doing great out there. Yeah. So, salute to the Xhosas. Yeah. Asiphelelanga by Vosinova. Salute. Asha. Ndando bangani. Hotman indala. Yeah. But I think if Ndando can work with Tato Ringo, yeah, if Ndando can work with Ringo, I think they can do well. And Ndando, he must work again with not Vose, Nati. Yeah, Nati. Yeah, if they can work together, I think they can do well. You understand? Yeah. So basically, yeah, it's the someone that's coming inside. So I think I must end this video immediately. So I'm signing out. I'm Skara, all the way from Port Elizabeth. Yeah, cheers. I'm phenomenal. I mean, like, I'm versatile. If you don't believe that, just look me up. Of course you'll find it out. Cheers. Salute. Ba ba ba.